Is 1,370 divisible by 4? Well, this is a divisibility rule. And the divisibility rule for 4 is you look at the last two digits of your number, which is 70, and see if you can divide 7 by 4 evenly. Is 70 divided by 4 a whole number? Actually, no. No, it's not. If I were to go over here and see how many times 4 goes into 70, 4 would go into 7 once. So 1 times 4 is 4. Then you subtract, you get 3. Drop down your 0. 4 goes into 30 8 times. 8 times 4 is 28. Subtract, and you get a remainder of 2. So since 70 divided by 4 doesn't divide evenly and cleanly, this number is not divisible by 4. So, is 1,370 divisible by 4? Nope. No, it's not.